Welcome back everyone, we're back at it again, pushing our limits and chasing those fitness goals. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind fat loss and muscle building, two sides of the same coin when it comes to transforming your physique. Now, we know we are all about that hard work, putting in the hours at the gym, pushing those weights, feeling the burn. But what if I told you there are some secret weapons you can use to amplify your efforts and maximize your results? We're talking science-backed hacks that can give you that extra edge. Get ready to unlock your full potential because in this video, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite actionable tips that'll have you shedding fat and packing on muscle in no time. Let's get after it. Alright, let's talk protein, the building block of muscle. If you're hitting the gym hard, you need to make sure you're giving your body enough of this essential nutrient to repair those micro rips and build that lean, mean physique. Think of protein as the bricks and mortar of your muscles. Without enough, you're essentially trying to build a house on sand. Aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. Timing is key too. Try to spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day, with a good chunk of it coming after your workouts when your muscles are primed for recovery. Now where do you find this muscle-building magic? Lean meats like chicken, fish, and turkey are your best mates, along with eggs, Greek yogurt, and plant-based sources like lentils and quinoa. Remember, a high-protein diet isn't just about how much you eat, but also about making smart choices throughout the day. Fuel your body right, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now, let's talk about torching fat and sending your metabolism into overdrive with high-intensity interval training. This isn't your average jog in the park. We're talking short bursts of all-out effort followed by brief recovery periods. High-intensity interval training is a boost to your metabolism. It smashes through plateaus and ignites your fat-burning furnace. The beauty of high-intensity interval training is that it's incredibly efficient. You can get a killer workout in a fraction of the time compared to traditional cardio. Plus, it keeps your body guessing, which means faster results. A simple high-intensity interval training routine could involve sprinting all out for 30 seconds followed by 1 minute of jogging, and repeating that cycle for 15 to 20 minutes. Trust me, after a few rounds of that, you'll be feeling the burn in the best way possible. Rest and recharge. Prioritize sleep and recovery. Listen up because this next hack is crucial. You can train like a warrior all you want, but if you're not prioritizing sleep and recovery, you're shortchanging your progress. Think of sleep as the ultimate recharge for your mind and body. It's when your muscles repair themselves, your hormones regulate, and your energy levels reset. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And don't underestimate the power of recovery techniques like stretching and foam rolling. These activities help to prevent injury, reduce muscle soreness, and improve flexibility, all of which are essential for staying consistent with your training. A few minutes of stretching each day can make a world of difference. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Hydration is key. Stay hydrated for peak performance. Alright, let's talk about something simple yet incredibly powerful. Hydration. You've heard it before, but I'm here to tell you again. Drinking enough water is absolutely vital for fat loss and muscle building. Water is involved in just about every bodily function, from transporting nutrients to regulating body temperature and flushing out waste products. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism slows down, your energy levels plummet, and your workouts suffer. Aim to drink about half your body weight in ounces of water each day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on it consistently throughout the day. Remember, when it comes to performance and results, staying hydrated is non-negotiable. Track your triumphs. Track your progress. Last but not least, we're talking about tracking your progress. Now this isn't about obsessing over the numbers, but rather about having a clear understanding of what's working and what's not. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to transforming your body, the data doesn't lie. By tracking your workouts, sets, reps, weight, and your nutrition calories, macros, you gain valuable insights into your body's response to your efforts. There are tons of great apps and tools out there to help you stay organized and motivated. Find one that works for you and make it a habit to log your progress consistently. Remember, this isn't about being perfect, but about being aware. And when you have that awareness, you can make adjustments as needed to stay on track and keep crushing your goals. Unlock your potential. There you have it. 5 science-backed hacks to transform your body from the inside out. Remember, we talked about optimizing your protein intake, incorporating high-intensity interval training into your routine, prioritizing sleep and recovery, staying hydrated and tracking your progress. These are simple yet powerful strategies that can make all the difference in your fitness journey. But here's the thing. Knowledge without action is just potential. It's time to take what you've learned and put it into practice. So, get out there, give these hacks a try, and watch as you unlock a whole new level of fitness. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic content, and share your own fitness hacks in the comments below. Until next time, keep pushing those limits.